Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. I am your Shudeshna ma'am. Today I am again back with one more new sound, words with one more new sound. So children, today I am going to introduce words with ow sound. Ow. So whenever we hear or and w, it together makes ow. O and w together makes ow sound. So today we will do words with ow sound. Children, we have already done words with one ow sound. That is, whenever we hear o and a, it also makes ow sound. Right children? We have already done words with this ow sound. Whenever we hear o and a, it together makes ow sound. So we have already done words with this ow sound. Today, similarly, we will do words with one more ow sound. That is, whenever we hear o and w, it also together makes ow sound. So, o and a, it also makes ow sound, and o and w, it also makes ow sound. Right children? So, we have already done words with this ow sound. O and a makes ow. Whenever we hear o and a, it also makes ow sound. Similarly, whenever we hear o and wa, it also makes ow sound. So today this is new to us. So today we will do words with this new ow sound. O and w side by side makes ow sound. Today we will do words with this ow sound. So come children, let's read the words with me. Come. So come children, let us read words with ow sound. O and w together makes ow sound. So whenever we hear o and w, it side by side together makes ow sound. So come, let us read words with ow sound. Look children, what picture is this? This is a picture of a gown. Gown. See, this is a long dress. Girls used to wear this type of dress, right? So this is gown. 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 Ow. So whenever we hear ow, we use o and w. It makes ow. Gown. This is brown color. Brown color. Right? Brown. 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 This is clown. 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 This is crown. 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 This is down. See, this is a ladder and this is a sign of down. That means someone is coming down. 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 This is owl. 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 In owl, what is the first sound you hear in owl? Ow. And whenever we hear ow, we use o and w. It together makes owl. So, owl, 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 owl. This is cow. Cow. This is cow. 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 these are all words with ow sound. Gown, brown, clown, crown, down, owl, cow. Now children, let us revise words with this ow sound. We have done these words previously, so let us revise words with this ow sound. O and a, it also makes ow sound. We have already done this words, so let us just once revise the words. Come children, read the words with me. What is this? See, this is a house and one boy is standing out of the house. So, out, out, outer, out, outer, out. See, what is this? This is house, 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 house. This is round, shape, round, 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 round. This is mouse, 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 mouse. This is cloud, 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 cloud. This is south, direction south, east, west, north, south. These are the 4 directions. South, 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 south. This is mount, 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 mount. And this is mouth, 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 mouth. So these are all words with ow sound. Out, house, round, mouse, cloud, south, mount, mouth. So these are all words with ow sound. So whenever we hear ow sound, we use o and a. It makes ow sound. So these are all words with ow sound. This is our revision work. These words which we have already done previously, and today we have done this ow sound. This is new to us. O and w, it also similarly makes ow sound. So children, today we have done words with ow sound, that is o and w together makes ow sound, and previously we have done one more ow sound, that is o and a makes ow sound. So o and w also makes ow sound. Similarly, o and a also makes ow sound. So children, do practice all the words at home. Practice reading and writing, and practice all the works which we have done previously. And I hope you all thorough with the work which we have done previously. So children, practice reading and writing regularly at home. Till then, stay safe, stay good. Bye.